Picture this. You've got a whole lot of real estate properties to market and the clock's ticking. You need to create ads that attract attention instantly. Not tomorrow, not later, but now. You know that moment of confidence and excitement when you start designing, feeling like a pro, only to realize hours have flown by for just creating one ad? And don't even get me started on resizing those ads for Instagram, Facebook, and everything in between. Sounds familiar? You're not alone. Now, here's the actual revelation. You pour hours into creating ads, but they barely get thumbs up, let alone a click. Why? Because the competition is fierce. Conventional ads just don't cope with the situation anymore. You need ads that pop, that make someone stop mid-scroll and go, wow, I need to see this place. But how do you do that without draining your time and budget? Imagine this. You type in a few details like luxury 2BHK with ocean views, and bam, you've got a stunning ad ready to go. Meet Predis.ai, your partner in ad creatives, the AI-powered tool for creating scroll-stopping, high-converting Instagram and Facebook ads in minutes. It's not magic, but it's pretty close. This game-changing tool takes care of everything. Designs, captions, even resizing for every platform. And here's the best part. No more endless attempts to improve InDesign software. Let's break it down. To get started, head over to Predis.ai and create a free account. Go to brand and social accounts and provide some basic details like your ad objective or product type, and upload your brand assets, including your logo, brand colors, and fonts. Predis.ai uses this information to recommend tailored templates. You can also browse its extensive library to pick one that suits your brand's vibe. Next, from the dashboard, select Create New and choose Add Creative from Business and Services. Then pick your creative type. For example, I will choose a short video ad and select the desired Canva size. Then tap on Continue. After you have provided all the details, Predis.ai analyzes your inputs to craft visually stunning ad creatives tailored to your brand instantly. Whether it's a stylish apartment or a cozy family home, you will get options with punchy captions, hashtags, and visuals that match your brand. Here's where it adds to your excitement. Predis.ai lets you resize your ads for different social media platforms in just one click. Want to add a personal touch? Use the voiceover feature to make your video ads more engaging. And if you need more ads, generate them in bulk, like creating a month's worth of creatives in seconds. E-commerce sellers can simply link your store, and Predis.ai will turn your products into eye-catching Facebook and Instagram ads. You can fine-tune every detail with Predis.ai, from the color palette to animations, making the customization an easy process. Feeling fancy? You can also adjust the text, tweak captions, and even choose multi-language inputs and outputs to make your ads ready for global audiences. Create, customize, and scale your ads instantly and with ease using Predis.ai, so you can direct your focus on achieving your goals. Once your ads are ready, schedule and publish them to go live on Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms with just one click. Also, it's not required to switch apps to manage your social media. Remember, consistency is the secret to growth, and Predis.ai makes it effortless. Here's a game-changing feature: Predis.ai's competitor analysis tool. Want to know what's driving your competitors' success? Predis.ai analyzes competitors' content strategies, including top-performing posts, hashtags, and the best days to post. Use these insights to validate your ad campaign ideas, inspire fresh content strategies, or make smarter decisions for your business. Are you curious to unlock these insights for your business? Don't miss out. Drop a comment saying competitor analysis, and we will guide you through the step-by-step process in our next video. Predis.ai isn't just for solo marketers. Agencies can scale faster, real estate teams can produce instant Facebook and Instagram ads effortlessly, and even small business owners can shine online. It's like having a 24/7 design team that never sleeps. Plus, you can test different versions of ads with A/B testing and focus on what matters: closing deals, not fiddling with designs. And here's the proof. Real estate marketers and agencies using Predis.ai have seen huge results. One agency doubled their engagement in just weeks. Another real estate company boosted their click-through rates by 50%. With Predis.ai, your ads aren't just pretty, they deliver. So, what's the biggest challenge when creating real estate ads? Drop your answer in the comments. Thousands of marketers are already seeing results, but what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to try Predis.ai for free and see the magic for yourself. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and share this video with your team. Want more marketing hacks like this? You know what to do. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's crush those ad goals together. Now that you have mastered creating stunning ad creatives with Predis.ai, let's take things further by putting your social media on autopilot. Here's how it works. First, log into Predis.ai and head to the dashboard. Navigate to brand and social accounts and select the social platforms you want to manage. Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, you name it. Link your business handles with your credentials and let the AI take charge. With this, the AI generates fresh content every week by picking from your latest 50 products or post topics. It transforms them into videos or images complete with captions and hashtags tailored to each platform. You can review, make edits, and approve posts before they go live. Every week, Predis.ai keeps your social media buzzing with new, engaging content, driving traffic, boosting engagement, and freeing you to focus on what matters most: growing your business. Ready to put your social media on autopilot? We have mentioned the link in the description for you to try Predis.ai for free today.